There is no strategy that I share with you on this channel that I haven't implemented and that hasn't worked for me. See, like I said on the previous video, I've been able to grow 15 different channels from zero to monetization for the past 1 year. I'm still growing some now, and I am still managing a lot of YouTube channels. Besides this, I have a lot of students that I've coached and they've been able to implement a lot of these strategies and it has worked for them. So when I tell you about a strategy, please implement it immediately and let us know on the comment section or on any of our channels on the communities that we have so that it can encourage another person to grow. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can collaborate with other content creators on YouTube on your live stream. This is another amazing way that you can actually implement and you grow. We're going to be doing this on this channel. I've done it on a lot of my channels, but we're going to implement it on this channel because I want a lot of you to grow. I want a lot of you to get this 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible. Get done with it and start making money and start targeting yourself to make at least $500 a month, at least $1,000 a month, at least $2,000, at least $10,000 a month. That's what we should be talking about and not still at this position of trying to get monetization. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate with your fellow YouTubers and grow your watch hours as fast and as easy as possible. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for always trusting on me. Thank you for always watching till the end. Thank you for your comments. Let me know on the comment section which of the videos I've actually uploaded on this channel that you have implemented and it has helped your channel. Now, before we go into this video proper, you all know how we do it, right? Go to the comment section and introduce your channel right there. And when you're done with your introduction, you can now type right there, I'm here to connect with anyone that is ready to work with me. And then you watch this video till the end. When you're done watching, come back to the comment section and you connect with every small YouTuber that is there. I know some of you will be like, why are you talking only about small YouTubers? There should be big YouTubers right there. One thing about the big YouTubers you should know is they have their community. They also have people that trust them and they trust them. So they only concentrate with those people. Like right now that I'm growing this community, I'm actually concentrating on the people who are engaging more on this channel. So when the channel becomes bigger, I would only be working with those people and with people that are paying me. You understand? That's why I always say small YouTubers, because they don't have a community and they are looking for who to connect with. And this is how we connect on this channel. When you go to another person's channel, make sure you watch at least 3 of their videos. Watch these 3 videos till the end. If it is 1 hour, watch till the end. If it is 1 minute, watch till the end. If it is 3 minutes, watch till the end. That is the first thing you do. When you're done watching the video, comment. And your comment should be related with that video that you've watched. Do this on all the 3 videos. Like all the 3 videos. And then you subscribe. When you do that, go and relax. This person will return the favor. So if you see 1,000 people on the comment section, connect with them. If you're the first person, drop your comments. Don't be ashamed of your hustle. We all are doing this on the street. So drop your comments, go and relax. If by the time you're done with this video, you don't see them on the comment section, come back in the morning. One thing I say to all my students is, this is where you make the money. This is where you want to make the money. So you should be aggressive about it and not be shy about it. Now, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing, do your prayers. After your prayers, you go to the comment section of your favorite YouTubers and you connect with small YouTubers. This is not the only video on this channel. There are other videos with other comments. So rush there after you're done and connect with them. And I bet you if you implement all the strategies I'm telling you, give yourself 1 month, you will get your 4,000 watch hours and more than 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Another thing, there is a link below to our WhatsApp channel, to our Telegram channel, and to our Instagram channel. It is made up of small YouTubers who are hungry, who are aggressive. They want to get to this monetization as fast as even the same day. So join us, connect with them, just the same way I have told you. Now, that being said and done, let me show you how you can actually collaborate with other small YouTubers. So, Go to your YouTube channel just like so, and below where you see the plus sign, you click on it. All right, and below here you're going to see video, short, live, and post. So click right there on the pencil icon you see beside your channel name, and right here is for you to set up your live stream for more visibility. Now I'm not going to do that on this illustration because it would take most of our time. If you want to know how you can actually set your live stream for more visibility, let me know on the comment section or on any of our channels, and I will do a specific video on that. Now, the little we can do here is right here where you see visibility, you can click on it and set this either for public, members only, or unlisted. Now, I want us to do this on unlisted. We're going to set it on unlisted because this video or this live stream is for illustration. Then below you have to set the audience, and right here where you see invite guests, you click on it like so and you click on next. And right here you would see select your audience. If this is made for kids, you select yes, it is made for kids. If not, you select no. When you do that, you click right there on next. Now, what you have to do right here is to copy this link and send to the person you're inviting to collaborate with you, or you send the person an email. All right, you can do either of them. So right here, what I would do is to copy this. I want to send it to my second phone, this invite to my second phone, and use one of the channels I'm managing to illustrate this. So you would know, if you would actually know how to set this up if you are actually the creator inviting people, and also if you are the creator invited to a live stream. So after this, you click on next. So this is how a collaborative live stream looks like. Now, as we've already copied the link, like I said before, there are two ways you can do this, either via email, or you copy the link and then you send directly to the creator you are inviting, just like so. All right, so just paste it right there and you wait for the creator. Now, there is another way you can actually invite anyone you want to invite on a collaborative live stream. Now, below where you see the arrow, the forward arrow, just click on it. If you click on it, it's going to open up your social media accounts that are available just like this. We have Facebook, WhatsApp, email, and all that. You can either copy the link also, or you click on them. Now let's click on WhatsApp right here. So you click on WhatsApp and it's going to take you to your WhatsApp page, and then you select the creator you want to invite to your live stream, right? Let's go back to YouTube. Now, when you have sent this link, you have to wait for this creator to accept it before you can start up with your live stream, or before you can go on a live stream. So I'm gonna pop up another screen for the creator who has to accept this invitation, so we can do it in two ways. So you know how to invite someone, and you also know how to accept the invitation so you can join the collaborative live stream. Now on the left, or on the right, sorry, is the person or the creator who has to accept this. So you just go to your WhatsApp just like this, or email, and then you would see this. You will see the invite from the other creator, and you have to click on join. Now when you do that, the other creator that invited you need to add you up before you can actually join this collaborative live stream. So what you do as the creator who invited is to click right there on add or on deny. You might have changed your mind, so now just click on add, and when you click on add, the other creator is going to pop up just like so. Now we have a double screen, we have a collaborative live stream right here. So there are two things I want us to know right here on a collaborative live stream. You can either do this live stream as a video live stream, a silence live stream, and even thirdly, you can do it as an audio live stream. But I would prefer you to either do a video live stream or a silence live stream. Remember, on the previous video, I showed you guys how you can do a silence live stream. You can go right there, watch that video so you can know how to set as a silence live stream. Another thing I want you guys to know is how you can actually remove this creator from your live stream. Please, when you're going on a live stream, make sure you go on a live stream for at least 4 hours so that your watch hours will be increasing. What you have to do is to click on the icon below, and it's going to bring out this remove guest. So you can click on remove if that is what you want. All right. Now, when you take out this person, you can now send the invite to another person. That person clicks it and join you on the live stream. So when you want to go on this collaborative live stream, do this with like 4 or 5 people so that you all can grow together. Now, that being said, let's take out this creator. So just click below and click on remove. And now we are single right here, and you can invite another person to your live stream. So just use the same method we used before, and then you share the live stream maybe directly to Facebook or WhatsApp, and then you hold on. When you hold on, you're gonna have the invite, or you're gonna know that that person has actually accepted to join, and all you have to do is to click on add. And when you click on add, automatically the next creator you've invited will join your live stream immediately, maybe in the space of 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Now, one thing I want you guys to know is, remember, we are doing all this without going live. We are still preparing to go on this live stream. Now, all you have to do is to click on live stream, and you are live with the other creator. So this is what we call a collaborative live stream, because you are talking with the other creator and you both are sharing the watch hours that you are having on this live stream. Remember what I said. Take about 4 hours, even 8 hours to go on a live stream, whether collaborative live stream, silence live stream, or single live stream. Take at least 4 hours. And you can take longer if you are collaborating with people. Take 1 hour for one, take 1 hour for the other one, just like that. And before you know it, you have spent 8 hours on a live stream, and your watch hours will be shared between 2 of you. Now, I'm not saying that if you guys had, let me say, 500 watch hours, they will give you 250 and give the other person 250. No, you will be having 500 and the person will be having 500 live watch hours, the same as the creator. So try this and let me know how it works out for you. If you're interested in this, you know what to do. Go to the comment section and let me know so you can join our live stream on this channel and on other of our channels. Amazing, right? This is so easy and so fast and so smooth. That's why I love collaboration. So, as you have seen this, if you're interested in collaborating with this channel, go to the comment section again and let me know. Go to our WhatsApp channel, to our Telegram channel, and also let me know right there, because I'm going to bring out a timetable for those who are interested in collaboration. And the amazing thing is, if there are 5 people watching that collaboration live stream, that watch hours is reading for me, it is reading for you who is live with me, and reading for the other person who is also live with me. So we're going to do this for the next 2 weeks for those who are really aggressive about their monetization. Okay? So make sure you must be part of our channels, that on Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Do that right now, because that's where I'm going to bring out the timetable. And for those, because we cannot do the collaboration, there are a lot of people that want to collaborate. We can decide to go on a collaboration 4 hours every day with 10 people. So when I'm done with the first person, you go down, the next person come. But one thing you should know is, if you're joining this team of collaborators, you're going to be live with us from the first hour till the last hour. Because when I'm done with your own collaboration, the next person that is coming up, you have to also give that person your own watch hours. You watching it is increasing that person's watch hours. So please do not try to play a fast one, because I have my moderators. They are looking, they are watching and seeing those who are actually participating. We're going to grow together, but we're going to grow with those who are sincere to grow and also to help others grow. Because a lot of people, a lot of my students, a lot of people in my community will come to my DM to tell me that they've actually subscribe, watch some other people's channel, and you guys have not done the same. And I know that because when I'm building all these channels, I've been receiving such messages. So do not try to play a fast one on us, because there will be collaborators that will be watching each and everyone's move. All right, I love you all. I want all of us to grow. Invite your friends, invite your colleagues, invite those who are just interested, they want to start out. All right, I'm waiting for you guys so we can collaborate and make this thing work for us all.